Welcome to Understand the Math. In this problem, we're given three matrices, A, B, and C, and we're told that they are n by n invertible matrices. What we're asked to do is to simplify this matrix expression. Let's go ahead and let's start and let's write down this expression. So we have A, B, C, quantity transposed, and then we have a CA transpose, and we take the inverse of that. What we're going to do to solve this problem is that we're going to work on each of these separately, and then we'll see how they combine. When you take the transpose of a product, what you have to do is change the order of the matrices. So this becomes the reverse order, C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. And then when you take the inverse of a product, what you do is do the same thing. You have to switch the order of the matrices. So this becomes A transpose inverse times C inverse. We can now start working to see how these are going to combine. We notice that A transpose times A transpose inverse is our identity. So this gives us C transpose, B transpose times our identity times C inverse. The identity always goes away. It's just like multiplying by 1, so you don't want to include it in your final answer. For a final answer, we then have C transpose, B transpose times C inverse.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.